In this tutorial, I will show you how to adjust accessories in Roblox in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Open Roblox and from left side, click on avatar. Now from right side, click on these three dotted lines just below the avatar. Here Roblox only allow us to make changing in head accessories and in skin color. Select the accessory you want to make changes in. I have selected head. As you can see, you can change the position by changing its x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. From the mid option, you can change its rotation in x-axis, y-axis or z-axis. And from the last option, you can change its size by sliding this line. After adjusting it, click on apply. Now you can see our changes has been applied. If you want to change its color, click on color icon, select any of the color you want as I have selected one, and you can adjust its intensity by sliding this line. If you want to change the color of any part of avatar individually, then click on advanced. Here select the body part like head, left arm, right arm. After selecting the body part, select the color you want to apply as I did. Now go back to your home screen and click on profile icon, and here you can see our changes are applied to the avatar. So that's how you can adjust accessories in Roblox in just few easy steps.